And this question is given that consider a compound slab consists of two different materials having equal thickness and thermal conductivities K and 2K respectively. The equivalent thermal conductivity of slab is. So over here, exactly in question they are not mentioned. It is in series or in parallel. So we can take it as they are in series. So thickness and thermal conductivity is K and 2K respectively. We can write are connected in series, because the answer is going to change with respect to whether they are connected in series or in parallel. So you can write the value of K equivalent for series combination is L1 plus L2 divided by L1 by K1 plus L2 divided by K2. So you can write L1 and L2 are same, L divided by L by K plus L divided by 2K. So we can write this is equal to nothing but 2L divided by, if I am taking this L as outside or L by K as common, it is 1 plus 1 divided by 2. So you can cancel this L and this L. So this is going to be nothing but 2 divided by, we can write 1 by K into 3, 2 plus 1, that is 3 divided by 2. So we can write this is nothing but 4K divided by 3.